Alright guys, so Sunday, and we're about to pull up to our third call, so we'll do a tire change on a Mercury, and then we'll be on to another call that it's a jump start, so I'll show you guys what's going on as soon as I get here. Hope you're enjoying your Sunday. I know I am. Alright, pulling in here somewhere. Looks like there's the car. Alright. I think I was just in this driveway the other day doing a jump start down at the end. That's crazy. Alright, well, we're here, so we'll get the party started. Oh! There we go. They already got the tire out and ready for us. Damn, check out the D100. Nice. Uh-oh. Collecting that water. Nice Ram truck though, and then, I don't know, Toyota something. Hey, how you doing? Hey, wasn't I just here the other day jump starting someone at the end?
I thought I recognized your car.
Kurt, nice to meet you, man.
My girlfriend with her keys.
Yeah. Alright, cool. So, I was checking out y'all's vehicles. They're pretty rad.
Oh yeah, that's my mom's fire truck from Japan.
Oh, she brought that over from Japan?
She found it on Craigslist. I think someone else had done it and she bought off that guy.
Oh yeah, so it's a fire truck from Japan?
Yeah.
Dude, too cool.
It's awesome. She has a lot of fun with it.
Oh man. Check it out, dude. Insane.
It's a stick drive too.
A stick on the column? Oh yeah, check it out. Look, stick on the column. Try not to get the spider web in my head. Look, that's too cool, man.
Yeah, and the lights and sirens work too.
I got a YouTube channel, so that's why I'm filming this. Man, that's too cool. Look at the front. So she had it shipped over? Or you said she found it on Craigslist,
Yeah,
that's right.
On Craigslist. I think she paid like $6,000 for it.
Worth every penny. Dude, that is awesome. The Japanese fire can't be too big. Alright, so back to business. We'll remove the hubcap and we're just going to change this tire out. So I'll grab my jack and all that stuff and we'll get the party started.
Alright.
Alright, man. A big old rooster. Look at this guy. The cool stuff I see doing this job. Yeah, so my regular service vehicle has been broke down for quite a while, so I'm using this little Ford Focus I picked up for $600. So I sell batteries, I've got everything I need to do the roadside. It fits all back here, so it'll work for now until I get my Tesla that I ordered, and then we'll be into a better work vehicle. Check out the cat. He's just chilling. What's up, dude? Hey. How you doing?
Alright, how are you?
You good?
I like your business philosophy.
What's that?
Like, I'm not doing surgery, I'm just changing the
Oh,
tire.
yeah. Oh, that was you I was
definitely.
speaking to, yeah.
Yeah,
He
I mean,
loves
it's
the
like,
fire truck.
oh, I know, it's great, isn't it?
Yeah, I've been doing this 15 years, and
Oh
when I
my
first
God.
started, the company I worked for insisted that I get everybody's ID and write their DL down.
Everybody?
Everybody. You couldn't do the call if you didn't get their DL and write it down, right?
Yeah.
Well, that ran me into a few problems. Some people didn't want to give it. Some people didn't have it.
Right.
Some people took forever to find it, which delayed me on all my other calls,
Right,
So it
right.
just never worked out. And then on top of that, nobody ever asked me for the people's DL number. So I thought to myself, I am wasting a ton of time
And
and getting a
energy.
ton of stress and aggravation
Yeah.
for nothing. So I said, fuck that.
So what'd you do? Start your own company?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
No, I mean, USA, like I've had them for 30 some years, and there's been so many changes. Like honestly, their customer service stuff is just shit now.
Oh, it's way.
And I hate what is it, the place that they use now for roadside assistance?
Pajero?
Yes. That thing,
Yeah.
absolutely. But like the tire changing thing has been
He was out
great.
here to help Lexi get her keys out of the car.
Oh, were you really? God,
Yeah.
you might as well just put us on a regular route.
I know, right?
Because we're always doing something. I
Yeah.
bought 4 new tires for the car, and within a week, one of them was flat. So,
Right.
well, I mean, these aren't obviously new anymore, but it's like, it's just been, you know, kind of like one of those weird things every, you know. So see how little time it takes you? It would have taken me fucking forever.
All the
Look.
right tools.
As
yeah.
your service provider, I'm gonna give you a really good review
Oh,
too,
thank you.
because it matters.
It does, actually. It does. 'Cause you wouldn't believe how many bad reviews I get that are no fault of my own. You know, people just have a bad experience
People
with a
are
gyro,
unhappy.
or
Yeah.
you know, if you have a bad experience with any of your process before I even get to you, then you're likely to give a bad review
Right.
because you had a bad experience. If it took you 45 minutes to get a hold of somebody to tell them where
Yep.
you were at, you're probably going to give a bad review. It has nothing to do with me. It's just
Look at
Well,
what
I
you're
just
doing, the wrong
so you
people.
know, I'm
So,
very good at.
I eat a lot of bad reviews.
Yes. I'm very good at separating out where the problem comes from.
Mhm.
A gyro is a shit storm to start with. 'Cause
Yeah.
They want to use your current location,
Mhm.
and so it's like that stupid thing where it's like, we're gonna send it. It's like, no, fucking stop, don't do it, and they just keep acting like you've said no, don't do it, and they just keep, and it's like, so I always end up calling them anyway, because it's like, no, I'm not, blah, 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 it just,
Oh, I
and it
know.
goes on and on and
They
on.
have a ton of annoying things they do.
Yeah, they do. Well, one of the most annoying is they'll give you an ETA for a tow truck. Obligatory number, it doesn't matter.
Oh, I know. I tell people that all the time because here's why it's obligatory. If I come out to change this tire for you, right, and I've got 2 other calls after it and I give an hour on it, I'm basing it on that this is going to go smooth, right? Now, if I get here and these are stripped or seized, or you're missing a locking lug nut, or whatever the
I
case
don't
may
have my
be,
driver's
or I gotta air up the spare or whatever,
Right.
that delays me. Or you take 10 minutes to get out of the house because you're disabled, or you know,
Right.
whatever the case may be. That makes it where, if every call delays me 5 minutes,
Right.
that means the 6th call is going to be delayed an hour just because those 5 minutes.
And the thing is that I tell them time and time again, I'm calling them after 5 or 6 hours and no tow truck. Just be honest with me. If you say,
Oh, you will never get honesty from
No.
any of them.
but you could go out and do something else. You could make other arrangements that you're not touching.
Well,
Oh.
the fear is that you would cancel and that they would lose out on the money, so they would never.
I'll be
So.
right back, because you look like you're almost done, and I don't want to keep you from your 6th call.
Oh no, you're fine. It's Sunday. I'm in Cadillac mode today. There we go.
Awesome.
Like it never happened. I know, right? Yeah. All right.
5 minute delay.
So there, got her on there. She's looking good. Got the hubcap on. Looking good. We'll pack it up and move on to the next one. Maybe we'll check out the river back there before we leave. We're talking about fingers getting stuck in the door, and look at this. That's as far as you can bend it?
As far as I can bend it.
You can't bend it out at all?
Well, yeah.
Oh, out. But it's far in.
Far in.
Can you push it in though?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. That's not bad. All right, y'all. So we're done with this tire change and we're on to the next one. Oh, does this go down to the river?
Oh yeah.
Can we go see the river real quick before I leave? That's badass. So y'all got y'all can just launch right out of here. Oh hell yeah, look at this paradise, y'all. Look at that. Flowers everywhere, butterflies, look at that. Bees. Man, this is bad.
It's a spring.
Oh, it's a natural fed spring lake?
Yep.
Wow. Look at that, man. Small little lake, so you don't got to worry about a bunch of people, you know, power boating around and stuff. Just bass fish everywhere, huh? Look at that. Guaranteed big mouth, largemouth bass in there.
I've caught a lot of them.
Yeah. Man, I need a little lake house like this. I told the wife I'm gonna buy something like in Georgia or Alabama, you know, because it's so cheap up there. Buy something, just land, and then I'm gonna put a little camper trailer like that on it. Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah,
Appreciate
no
it.
problem.
All right, y'all. Well, I better get going. Nice to meet you, bro. Nice meeting you. Y'all have a good one.
You too, man.
Y'all check out this paradise. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for this one. I'm going to move on to the next call, and we'll see you there. Bye now.